Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here and this is your first time seeing me, thank you for clicking on the video. My name is Brenda and today I'm going to be doing kind of like a tutorial, or I would say more of a how I make my hair look a little bit thicker. For this specific video, I'm going to be doing a bun on top. As you can see, it's this one right here. If you want to see what my bun looks like without this tip, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a tutorial on how to make your hair look a little bit thicker if you have thin hair. The hairstyle I'm going to be doing today is a bun. I usually do my buns a little higher on the top. So for this specific hairstyle, you do want to start with your hair dry, especially if it's thin. I don't know for all you guys that have thin hair, but for me, whenever I do my hair when it's kind of wet still, it sort of makes it look a little bit thinner. So you want to start with dry hair, and then I'm just going to be using a few simple things, you know, same thing you would use to do a ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have a mirror over here just in case you guys are wondering. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm actually going to show you guys what my bun looks like when I don't do this trick. That way you can see the difference. And right now my hair isn't freshly washed. I actually washed it yesterday. So I tried to use a little bit of dry shampoo to help me out for today's look. This first part, I'm going to use a regular hair tie, just like this. I'm going to tie this where I want it. Just like this. My hair gets tangled really easily because of how thin it is and just the fact that I color it so much. But okay. So if I were to do a normal bun, like a regular bun, without using this method, this is what it would look like. Which, I mean, I guess there's nothing wrong with it if you like that, but this is how little my bun is. And so, yeah, that's what my hair would look like. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a scrunchie like this. And you're going to want to pick a scrunchie that's closer to your hair color, because that's a little bit easier to hide, especially if your hair is a little thinner than mine. So right now I don't have a brown one, so I'm using this black one and hopefully it works. So there we go, we have that on. And you can already see it's making kind of like a little thicker base right here. So what I do, instead of twisting my hair this way, I'm just going to leave it loose like this, and I'm going to kind of wrap it around the base that I have there. And as you can see, I'm like barely touching the hair, and you can already see a big difference compared to the other bun. So you can either use a hair tie, and what I do is I stretch it over the bun, that way I don't squash it. And so I'll wrap it just to get the ends in there, and then I'll just kind of adjust the bun. You can use some bobby pins as well, just if there's any like crazy hairs that look kind of off. So I'm going to use a bobby pin. And just in case you noticed, I don't use my teeth for this. I am a dental hygienist, so one thing that we learned is that it is really easy to chip your teeth by doing that, so don't do that. So yeah, and you can make it as messy as you want. You can pull out little hairs here and there, make it a little bit more messy. But yeah, this is kind of the idea. This is one way. And if you don't have a hair tie or your hair is a little bit thinner, what you can also do, instead of wrapping an elastic around it, is exact same thing. I will kind of loosely wrap it around, and then I will take the little end here. I will get a bobby pin, and then I just pin that in and sort of under the base. That way it's nice and snug. And then there you go. You have a nice thick bun. And I have done this with shorter hair, so I know it works. Right now my hair is a little bit longer, but this is just the way I've been doing it for years, and it works for me. I like how it makes my hair look really full. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked it. If you like this kind of video, or if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Also, if you try this look and it works for you, that would make me so happy. So let me know in the comments down below as well. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my social media. I will link that down below as well. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.